Complete muscle car crate rear ends. I'm going to go over exactly what to expect when you take delivery. Hi, I'm John Henson for Currie Enterprises, and today I want to go over exactly what to expect if you order a complete muscle car or hot rod crate rear end from Currie Enterprises. So what I have here in front of me is a crate rear end for a 67 to 69 Camaro with a multi-leaf suspension package. And it's fully equipped with a Willwood disc brake, a Centurion housing, and it's fully assembled. Now, there are a couple of options when you go to our website and start shopping, but basically what you're going to get is a completely assembled unit. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to bolt on the brake package, bolt in the axle shafts, fully assemble the third member and install it on the housing. And we're going to deliver it to you without any oil in it. But we are going to put a tag on it that tells you exactly how much oil to put in it. And it is an option on our drop-down on our website if you wanted to add oil to the order. Now, our muscle car crate rear ends come with a 31 spline axle, which on a street tire, plenty good up to about 600 horsepower. Our bracketry, we're going to weld those to the factory geometry in the factory location. Now, of course, our bracketry is a little beefier than stock. We manufacture all of our own brackets, and they're actually made out of a 3/16 thick plate. And so that way, if you're bolting it in under a car that had stock leaf springs in the stock location, this is going to be a direct replacement. We build them to the factory width. So basically from wheel mounting surface to wheel mounting surface, our goal is to build it so that it mimics the exact same dimension as the factory length rear end. So if you're using your existing wheels or the factory wheels, we want them to fit in the exact same location. Now we have other options on our website that are going to allow you to choose powder-coated finishes. You can get them in satin black, gloss black, or outfitted here in raw steel so that you can clean it and paint it if you want it to match the car. We have quick ship options, which basically means if you outfit it with the factory specs and choose options of brakes that we have in stock, we'll be able to get this out a little bit quicker for you. I'd like to roll this around and actually show you the third member and go over a couple of the options that are available for it as well. So our complete crate rear ends are going to ship with 31 spline axles and a 31 spline third member, unless you configure it for an upgrade. 31 spline third members are going to be Sportsman case, nodular iron, and they're going to ship with a 1330 short yoke. And they actually come equipped with the strap kit for your drive shaft as well. On the side of the third member, you'll notice there's a fill hole. So this is where you will fill oil. And they're equipped with a drain plug now on the bottom of the housing. So for easy maintenance, oil goes in here, and after the break-in or for further maintenance down the road, drain plug on the very bottom. They do ship with a vent. The vent does have a cap on it, and that's just to prevent any particulates or anything getting inside the housing during shipping. So you need to remove the cap and put on a 3/8 rubber hose and plumb that up into the frame someplace and out of the way. Venting to atmosphere is perfectly fine for a street car. They also come equipped with the big bearing Ford 9-inch ends. Now, they're nicknamed the Torino, but it's the big bearing Ford new style, which is going to be the much larger bearing, and a Timken Set 20 tapered roller. Real overkill for a street car, but definitely better if you're going to be putting on a larger wheel and tire, or it's obviously performance minded. So we went ahead and upgraded you there too as well. Now we are welding on brake line tabs. The brake line tabs here, especially for a disc brake kit like this Willwood kit, is so that you can plumb your soft hose to this tab, and with a bulkhead fitting, plumb your hard line kit from here on up and then to the frame. I hope that answers some of the questions on our Currie muscle car crate rear ends. If you have any further questions, please feel free to give us a call, send us an email, or leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe here. For more tech videos, click here. And for more Currie content, click here. Thanks for watching, guys.